Be, dito, lakad ka dun.
Ano, baby? Huwag na.
Giselle, careful ah. Ayun na, tabi ka na lang sa kanya. Sa pink.
Yan. 600.
Hi kids, welcome to the exciting bumbling boulder. Remember to hold on to your things and don't forget your hands and feet inside the boulder at all times. Be seated until the ride stops completely. And have a nice ride.